Nakabuya po yung rating nga videos. Ayan, syempre credits to Sonata the Away Band. Yeah! Almost heaven, West Virginia, the Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is older than the trees. Younger than the mountain, growing like a breeze. On Mateo Road, Bypass Road, Kabatuan Road, Luna Road, nagkarukot, itsay lakot, at the long, Tamang Road. Oh, Mount Memories, gather up, minus lady, sweeter to the water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky, misty taste of moonshine, there rocks in my eye. Kawayan Road, Alicia Road, Itchagi Road, Santiago Road, nagkarukot, itsay lakot, at the long, Damang Road. I heard a voice in the morning house, she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. And driving on the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Manatupit-kiti, Ananga Road, Mapalit Road, Sogador Road, Baclaca Road, nagkarukot, itsay lakot, at the long, Nawang Road, Ananga Road, Chismosaga Road, Mamartan Road, Sogador Road, nagkarukot, itsay lakot, at the long, Nawang Road, Ananga Road, Uston ka Road, Ananga Road. Ayan, so maraming salamat po. And yan, inuulit po namin sa lahat na gusto mag-request. Open na po tig-request si Kanta. Nagitikos kaya ito mag-jamming. Pwede po kayo maki-jamming sa amin. And once again, makakasama niyo po ang Sonata the Away Band together with Inang Guada hanggang alas 2 ng madaling araw. Kaya nagitimayan apong invite ang Inang Guada's Entertainment together with Sonata the Away Band. Mga kayo mababay na pong PM, the Facebook page mga Sonata the Away Band and Inang Guada.